Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and actually all you have to do is simply make sure that you're on the photo mode, and then let's tap on this fourth icon from the left. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the ratio options, and you have to be a little bit quick because as you can see, they simply disappears. And here we've got 3:4, 9:16, 1:1 and full option. Now as you can see, we've got a 3:4 option and 64 megapixels activated because this option is highlighted. So in order to change it, simply tap on this icon and choose the one you want to use, for example 9:16. And as you can see, the camera look simply changes, so it means that we successfully applied new aspect ratio. So let me show you another one. Let's tap on 1:1, and as you can see, now the camera looks a little bit like in a square shape. And let's tap on full, and as you can see, the camera has been elongated to the full screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.